Yo guys, welcome to another pizza party event. So this is gonna be one of the last pizza party events, just because I did all the items already pretty much. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to get the watermelon wings accessory, which is the grand prize for this event. So I do need to record an event video on the disco party one.
What?
Oh, sorry, it's my sister. So, the disco party event is, disco party hat is gained by, getting shot by a developer and admin. I forgot which one, but one of them. And, yeah. But today we're going to be teaching you how to get the watermelon wings. So, you want to be able to get 5 out of all 5 prizes, or 4 prizes out of all 7. And then you want to get the community launcher, and you should be able to. So 4 and then 1 plus 1 is 5. So you'll be able to get the watermelon if you just get these 4, or if you get these 3 and you get this 1. So just 4 and then the community launcher, and you should be able to receive it on April 9th, 2019. You will receive your reward in your avatar selection.